Understanding generative AI, an overview. Explore how generative AI differs from traditional AI and machine learning and why practical knowledge goes beyond using popular tools. Traditional AI follows fixed rules like spam filters and simple chatbots that cannot create new content. Machine learning learns data patterns to predict outcomes such as house price forecasts and image classification. Key characteristics. Traditional AI is rule-based and reliable but not creative. Machine learning discovers patterns and makes predictions with limited generative ability. Generative AI is creative, adaptive, and generates new content. How generative AI differs from machine learning. Machine learning predicts outcomes using learned data patterns evaluated by accuracy. Generative AI creates new dynamic content using probabilities rather than fixed answers. Large language models powering generative AI. Guide to effective prompt engineering. Applications with traditional AI. Applications with generative AI. Spam filtering, basic image recognition, rule-based coding, fixed chatbots, hardwired logic. Image creation, style transfer, AI code generation, conversational AI, scenario simulation. Foundational skills. 1. Python for workflows and API access. 2. AI and ML fundamentals form the core base. 3. Data science covers cleaning and feature engineering. 4. SQL manages structured data. Traditional AI shows no creativity, low data dependence, high explainability, low adaptability, and low error risk. Generative AI is highly creative, data-dependent, less explainable, highly adaptive, but risks errors like hallucinations. Responsible use of generative AI. Understanding limitations like hallucinations and biases is vital to leverage generative AI's creative and adaptive powers responsibly. Employer expectations. Employers prioritize skills and practical knowledge over certificates, seeking model understanding, data preprocessing, prompt engineering, and real-world generative AI use. Build understanding and confidence through projects, prompt practice, debugging, and documentation to prepare for career success. Avanti Generative AI Training Program. Affordable hands-on training combining Python, AI ML, data science, and generative AI with real projects and expert mentors. Focus on understanding, application, and explaining generative AI, not just certificates or tools. Build foundational skills for your career. Learn more. Thank you for watching. Visit avantigenai.co.site to advance your generative AI skills.